Hey, it's Brian Rose from London Real and the Crypto and DeFi Academy. Just wanted to shoot a quick video here and talk about the markets and mindset and how we're all feeling and the way that we can look forward and keep moving forward. I just got off a call with my students here, and they were all asking me questions about the future of what's going on in cryptocurrency and decentralized finance and the markets and metaverse and NFTs and all of that. And I was really given a chance to remind them that what we're involved in here is something that's much bigger than changes in daily price. This is something that fundamentally changes who we are as humans. This is something that I believe is intrinsically linked to our own freedoms. And again, we spent an entire year in 2020 fighting for freedom of speech, going head to head against trillion-dollar technology companies in order to give people different points of view and give people the right to speak and to have that free choice. Also, your free choice to listen to people. We spent a lot of time putting out lots of information, even fighting, for free and fair elections. And I think this freedom component is a super important part of what Bitcoin is and what a lot of these cryptocurrency protocols, because if you can't have the freedom to hold your own value and hold your own currencies and hold your own digital property, then it's very hard to actually have those components of freedom of speech. And when those are all tied up in central banks and governments that control financial institutions and regulate and tell you what to do, it doesn't just take away your money, it actually takes away your freedom. And that's why we work hard every single day to get these concepts out there, because this isn't just a piece of technology. This isn't just something in finance. This is a human paradigm shift where we are now not asking kind of gatekeepers and higher authorities to be the middlemen of our assets, but we're actually going to own them ourselves. And I'm just talking about our money. I'm talking about our identities, our browsing data, our medical history, all of our information. This is all a chance for us to own it, for us to be valued for it, and for us to be able to freely transact with everybody on a peer-to-peer basis going forward. And that's why we couldn't be more excited about this. That's why we believe in the next 10 years, this is going to change everything. It's going to be bigger than the internet and bigger than the mobile phone, because it's going to just affect every aspect of our lives. And that's why we find this exciting. And that's what I wanted to say to people. You know what? The markets are here. Sometimes they'll test you. Sometimes they'll ask you if you really believe in this. But again, the idea is to focus on long-term, focus on your disciplines, ask yourself why you're here, and convince yourself that you're here building something of the future. And that's what we're doing here. That's what we plan on continuing to do. And I just want to say, let me know how you're feeling. Leave me your comments below. Let me know what you're struggling with. And also, don't get caught up in all of the news. Don't watch the price of these cryptos every single hour. I don't think it's healthy. I think it's healthy also to work on your mindset, to work on your body, to work on your relationships, to work on your business, to work on your community, but to also know what's happening and be involved what's going on in these cryptocurrency and blockchain assets. So that's what I would just say as a check-in here. Love to hear your comments below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what other questions you have about the market or what other thoughts you have. I'm going to try to check in on a regular basis here and just remind everybody that this is the time to create. This is the time to build. This is the time to serve. This is the time to educate. This is not the time to be divided. This is not the time to fight. This is not the time to be to conserve. This is the time to really use this as an opportunity to go out there and do something bigger and better. And that's what we're focused on here, and that's what I look forward to all of you focusing on. So leave me your comments below. Let me know if you like this, and we'll try to just keep giving you more thoughts and insights about how we process everything that's going on with these markets. And again, these markets will always be volatile because they're so new and they're so transparent as well. These markets aren't controlled by stock markets and governments that print fiat currencies. These things are transparent, and in that sense, you get what's really happening, but you also get the volatility with it. So big love from London Real, and hope you're out there transforming yourself, working on improving yourself, and just taking things to the next level, and always keeping the right mindset as well. Take care. Bye.